so in here, whenever you are at your funnel, if you want to add more buttons like this one, what you simply need to do, for example, in here, like right away, whenever they see the benefits, if they are ready, what you will do is click here under elements and add a button in here, simply add, clicking here, and on the left side, we're gonna add something like, I'm ready for the challenge. And then some text, click here, and then the action. So what do we want to happen whenever they click in here? As you can see on the left side, button actions, open pop-up. Now, so this might be a little too, so let's edit this button because it's not, we needed to make it like stand out. So on the middle, you have things, and maybe you would like to use something like, what about a purple one? I know the purple one is not within your colors, but this is also kind of a best practice to use a color that stands out, that will call attention. So I will simply use this one. If you don't like it, you can come afterwards and change it. But let me show you some other cool feature in here. So click where it says Advanced. And in here, for example, if you go all the way up, you have something that is called button effects. So maybe we can use the glow option or rocking. See that? It's moving. Bounce. So it will move whenever you hover. Elevate, whenever you hover. Wobble. This is wobble. And, or no effect. So for now, let's use the rocking. So it will always be moving. And let's add some movement to the other buttons in here. So also, what about bounce? Bounce. In here, button, bounce. In here, button effect, bounce. And this is so cool, right? Because you don't need to go into the options every time. Whenever you click in here, you simply have the options on the left side. Bounce also. In here, bounce. And there's something else I wanted to show you. For example, let's say that you don't like square buttons. We can make it rounded. So simply click on the button and then scroll down. And what about here? Border radius. We can do it 4. And so that's the border. And what else do we have in here? So we can give some shadow. See, can you see the shadow in there? It will stand out more. Let's click again, and then what else? Border. There's a full border. Border style solid, and then this is the width. Border radius. What about, so that was a 4, but then I can make it fully rounded with a 75. And then there we have a rounded button. So and obviously if you want to go back, simply delete this and you could get back your square button. I'm using for now this, let's use 50, yes. Okay, and there you have it. How should I change the color? Go back into general, and here is the background. So let's use this one, for example, or this one. What about that one? Or go back into themes and select one that is already done, like this one. Oh, but you see, it get back into the original format. But don't worry, you are already an expert in here. So simply clicking here, advance. Oh, sorry. And then go all the way down and border radius 75, rounded. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, always remember to save. Yes. Bye.